Okay, here we are at Harvester's, the new corner store. We have 7 check styles as well as the counter. The service counter. We have the cheese board right up front. You have grab and go. The bakery. The coffee spot. The new deli area. The salad bar, the hot bar, the meat shop, sushi, rice bowls, and roasted chicken. Hi. It's good seeing you. So the hot bar. Excuse me? Sodas and snacks. Wine. Beer, hard liquor. Okay, so here we are in the meat department. They have FFA local meats. You can get water. They have beautiful meats and things. Oh, hey! How are you, Jay? Goodness gracious. It's great seeing you. Okay, so we're in the meat department. And moving down into the wild honey department. And then you can do your own coffee. You can grind your own coffee now. This different cereals. And the dairy department. Oh, I'm going too fast. I'm sorry. And different kinds of coffees and cleaners and mops. And soaps and things and gloves and all kinds of things they have here. And they still have the lumber yard out back. Okay, so this is the seasonal things that are here. No, we're good. Thank you so much. And there's bird feed. And then the Benjamin Moore paint section. Damn it.